Hi, greetings. It's me, Dr. Paul Gerhardt, and today I want to teach you how to use the snipping tool in case you want to capture a picture of what's on your screen and then paste it into like an email or something, or to post it into your discussion questions if you're taking a course from me. So it's actually pretty easy to do, and maybe you already know how to do this, but I'll walk you through how I do this. If you look at the bottom of my screen, I'm clicking the Windows button at the bottom, and I'm typing in the search panel snipping tool, and you see that it comes up right away after I punched in SNIP. So I'm choosing the snipping tool. I'm choosing new on the screen. And then I'm choosing a rectangular snip because I want to share just a portion of my screen. So I'm going to capture the essence of what's on this screen and let go. And then I'm going to go to File, Save As, and then I'm going to save it on my hard drive. So I'm choosing Windows and then Pierce. And I'm going to create a folder because I'm teaching Biz 134, and then I'm clicking that. I'm going to choose the folder I want to put in and create a new folder for, I'm going to call it Screenshots. And then I'm double clicking that folder, and then I'm going to call that Screenshot My Blog 1, and then I'm hitting save. And so now I'll be able to upload that using the snipping tool because it's all saved and everything. So anyway, I hope you found that helpful to you, and I look forward to working with you more as we get going. So thank you very much for your valuable time.